In the fast-evolving world of artificial intelligence, it's easy to assume that the latest and greatest models always win. But what if a simple, old-school Python script could outperform state-of-the-art vision LLMs like GPT-5 on a real legal task? Today, we'll explore how a tiny, deterministic algorithm outpaced the giants in a legal OCR challenge, saving time, money, and headaches for everyone involved. Let's dive into the backstory and see why sometimes less truly is more. At the Stanford Legal Design Lab, the team faced a practical problem: processing California civil jury instructions, specifically the LACIF 244 PDF forms. These forms, used in legal workflows, contain pages packed with checkboxes, each one representing a specific instruction number. The task? Reliably extract which boxes were checked and which were not, to feed into downstream application logic. Accuracy, speed, and cost were all critical. The initial approach leaned on cutting-edge, vision-enabled LLMs, but the results were mixed. The first solution involved vision-enabled LLMs like OpenAI's GPT-5, Google's Gemini 2.5 Pro, Cohere's Aya, and Anthropic's Claude 4.5 Sonnet. While these models could sometimes extract the checkbox data, three major issues quickly surfaced: latency, cost, and inconsistency. Users had to wait up to a minute for results. API costs soared with volume, and accuracy wavered. Even the best model only reached about 95%. For a legal workflow, these shortcomings were deal breakers. Seeking alternatives, the team tried commercial OCR solutions like Azure AI Document Intelligence and the layout model. While these tools were more affordable and sometimes more accurate, they still fell short for structured forms with selection marks like checkboxes. The layout model, for example, achieved 100% accuracy, but was overkill for the job, costing $10,000 per million pages and running 10 times slower than the eventual solution. Clearly, a new approach was needed. The breakthrough came from a simple observation: the legal forms were standardized, with checkboxes always appearing in the same pixel locations. This meant that instead of trying to understand the document, the solution could just look at specific pixel patches. No neural networks, no prompts, no training, just render, crop, and count pixel values. Sometimes, the simplest insight leads to the most effective solution. Here's how the pixel method works. Each page is rendered at high resolution. The script crops a 20x20 pixel box around each checkbox's known coordinates, converts the crop to grayscale, inverts it so black is 1, then sums and squares the pixel values. If the squared sum exceeds a threshold, the box is marked as checked. This method is deterministic, fast, and requires no machine learning, just basic math and NumPy. The actual implementation was surprisingly concise, about 150 lines of Python using libraries like fits and pill. For each page, the script loaded the image, converted it to grayscale, and processed each checkbox region. The output included the label, whether the box was checked, and the squared sum value. This approach was so robust that unchecked boxes always had a value of 0, while checked ones easily cleared the threshold. One challenge with this method was the need to hard-code the coordinates for each checkbox on every page. While this made the solution less flexible, it was necessary for the standardized forms in use. The architecture was straightforward. Upload the document, route to the relevant pages, scan for checkboxes using pixel detection, and output the results. Sometimes, a little manual effort pays off in reliability. The results were dramatic. Where the LLM and OCR pipelines took 30-60 seconds per document, the pixel method completed the same task in just 0.1–0.2 seconds. That's a 300x speedup, with no network dependency or API quotas to worry about. For high-volume legal workflows, this kind of performance boost is a game changer. Cost savings were equally impressive. Vision-enabled LLMs and commercial OCR APIs charge for every page processed, with prices reaching $10,000 per million pages. The pixel method, by contrast, runs locally and incurs 0 additional cost, no matter how many pages are processed. For organizations handling sensitive legal data, this also means no data ever leaves their secure environment. Perhaps most importantly, the pixel method achieved 100% accuracy on the standardized LACIV 244 legal forms. Previous solutions struggled to reach even 95%. with frequent errors and missed checkboxes. The deterministic, transparent nature of the pixel approach meant that the same inputs always produced the same outputs. No hallucinations, no surprises, just reliable results. Beyond speed, cost, and accuracy, the pixel method offered additional advantages. All processing happened on-premises, ensuring sensitive legal data never left the organization. The approach was operationally simple, easy to log and version, and completely transparent, no black box AI decisions. For regulated industries, these benefits are invaluable. Of course, this method isn't perfect for every scenario. It relies on fixed layouts. Any change in form, design, or scanning quality can break the approach. It requires manual calibration of coordinates and thresholds for each form family, and it provides no semantic understanding beyond checkbox state. For more complex or variable documents, traditional OCR or LLMs may still be necessary. The lesson here is clear. Use the smallest, simplest tool that fits the constraint. For standardized forms with fixed layouts, pixel arithmetic outperforms vision LLMs on speed, cost, and reliability. Deterministic methods are ideal for selection mark extraction, while LLMs shine when semantic understanding is required. Hybrid approaches often deliver the best results in practice. As AI continues to advance, it's tempting to reach for the most sophisticated solution every time. But this story reminds us that sometimes simplicity wins, especially for well-defined, repetitive tasks. By combining the strengths of both traditional algorithms and modern AI, we can build systems that are not only powerful, but also efficient, transparent, and cost-effective. The future belongs to those who choose the right tool for the job.